Hello, your Fitness First community. Hope you're okay. We are live this morning with a lower back care workout or session, shall we say. So this is to help you improve your strength and movement in your lower back. So if you've got any chronic or severe lower back pain, please do not do this workout. Go and see your consultant, go and see a doctor and get professional guidance first before you join any exercise class, because it's not going to do you any good. But if you've just got a few little niggles, you get a little ache in the back of the lower back from sitting down all day, and you want to build strength, and you do sit down all day and you want to feel a bit more straight, this is a perfect workout for you. It's a nice and easy workout, slow and steady, nice little movements that will help you build strength around the core stability in your glutes and down up your lower back. So without further ado, we're going to get warmed up. So all you need for this is a mat. That is it. So just have your mat ready. And that is it. All you need. Don't need anything else. No resistance. You're just using body weight for resistance. I am a lower level 4 lower back exercise specialist, so I do know what I'm doing. So I'm more than qualified to do this. But like I say, do not do this if you are have severe or chronic back pain. Please do not. And if you do feel anything as you're doing it, please stop straight away. And like I say, don't carry on. It's not worth it. Alright, so let's just start nice and steady. We're just going to be walking on the spot. Like I say, these are going to be nice little movements. We're just going to warm up the body, and everything is going to be really slow and steady. So every movement. I've just got my socks on, because it's easy for your feet to slide across the floor. If you've got bare feet, that's just as good, but you don't really need trainers on. You can slip them off if you've got trainers on, and just use your socks or bare feet. And I'm just going to turn to the side. We're just going to slide back. So nice strong core engaged. Just slide in the foot back there and back in, and do the same foot. If you need to hold on to anything, have a chair there or anything like that, just grab a chair. Or just slide in the foot back. That's it. Just a few on each side. Stretching back just a little bit, and one more, and good work. Then we swap to the other side, so stretching back. Like I said, if you need to hold on to anything, stepping back or just stretching back. Keep the core engaged. That's it. Sliding the foot back. Keep it contact with the floor, and then step back forward. So we do about 8 of these each side. That's it. Just good for opening up the hips. One more. And stepping back or sliding back. Good work. Fantastic stuff. Right, back walking on the spot. This time, again, this is depending on your ability and depending on your lower back. If you need to hold on to something, you can. It's not a problem. But this is just going to bring your knee up and over. Nice and slow and steady. Again, one side, do 2, and then the other side, do 2, and then go back to the first side. So this is just opening up the hips and working the glutes here, getting them activated. That's it. So again, we'll do 8 each side, so 2 and 2. That's 6. Up and across. Again, slow and steady. That's it. 1, 2, last one's on that side, and then another 2 on this side. That's it. Good work. Fantastic stuff. Back walking on the spot. Hope you're okay. Like I say, you shouldn't feel any pain in any of this. It should just be a nice little workout to build strength and improve your back, your lower back problems. Absolutely. So we're just going to do a little hip opener now. Again, if you need to hold on, hold on. We're going up and opening up, stepping back, and then back forward, and then again on the other side. So open up the hip. If you only can come here nice and low, just come nice and low. Just do the best you can. You don't need to lift it right up. It's all about opening up the hips and mobilising the joints, and in and out, one side to the other. Fantastic stuff. Keep the core engaged. Like I say, if you need to balance on anything, balance, hold on to something, it's not a problem. We'll do 6 your side on these. 4, 5, 5, and one more inside. There we go, and last one on that side. Good work, everybody, fantastic. Right, we're going to start mobilising the shoulder joints now, because we will be down on the floor for most of this. That's why we're going to need a mat, just mainly the warm up. So keep feet walking, and we're going to just lift some shoulders up to your ears, and just roll them forward, nice and gently. Again, we always need to warm up all the parts of the body we're going to use. And yes, it's a lower back exercise session, but we're going to be using our arms, so we don't want another injury. That's it. And a little roll the neck, and then we're going to go backwards. That's it. So lifting, squeezing the shoulder blades nice and gently, lifting the shoulders to the ears, and squeezing backwards as we go. Excellent stuff, everybody. Fantastic. Good work. Excellent. Right, so we're going to do a little bit of an upper body rotation. So your feet are planted now. So we're just going to twist the body ever so slightly. Not going all the way around, so we're forcing it, we're just twisting from side to side and going a little bit deeper each time. If you can go a bit further, but watch that back, keep the core engaged. That's it, your feet are planted, just warming up, nice and gently, that's it, nothing major. Good work. And I'm just going to do a few hip rotations now. Nice and small though, we're going to keep it one way. That's it. And then back the other way. Excellent stuff. Just again, mobilising all the joints, getting the lower back ready for this workout. That's it, good work. And fantastic stuff. So again, we're going to keep the feet planted. We're going to reach down the side. So a nice little side bend. Reaching down one side. You'll feel a little stretch down the other side. Don't hurt yourself, just a nice little stretch. And then up and over using the core. Down to the other side. And then back to the other side. Just a few each side. Remember to keep the breathing in line with this when you're doing exercise. Breathe in and breathe out. Just helps concentrate on the moment. And good work, fantastic stuff. The last warm-up part, so we are holding on if you need to. We're going to do a leg swing, so just nice and gentle, little leg swings. So we're going to go forwards and backwards with one leg. Keeping the core nice and engaged, we're not leaning on the lower back, we're just swinging the leg forward and backwards. We'll do 8 there, and then we're going to go across the front and to the side. 8, and out, and across. 2, 3, 4, just to your range of motion. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then swap sides. So again, if you need to hold on, hold on. Gives you a bit of balance, you're not relying on the back too much. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then out, 1, and across the body, 2, 3, that is from there, 4, 5, 6, oh, kicking the cupboards, 7 and 8. Good work. Nicely done. And we are done for the bit of a warm up. Now we're going to start rolling down to the floor. So we're going to do a little bit of a hamstring stretch. So face your mat forward, come to about the middle of your mat, and then going down. We're just going to roll down. Again, keep the core engaged, slowly and steadily. Just hands on the thighs, brushing down, past the knees, nice and slow, feet shoulder width apart. Going down till you can feel that tension, and then just hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, more to roll back up. That's it, nicely done. Just stretching out the hamstring. We're going to go down again. We're going to go a little bit deeper if you can. So let's go. Rolling down. Excellent stuff. Go down to your point, and this time I'm going to hold for 15. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come up. Nice and steady. Nicely done. And down one more time. This one at just 20 seconds, this one. That's it. Down slowly. Go a little bit deeper if you can. No pain, just a little bit deeper. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice and slowly, remember. Steady as she goes up. And fantastic stuff. Just lift the knees up a little bit. Now we're going to roll down, all the way down to our knees. So we're going to go into a 4-point kneeling. So where your arms are parallel with your shoulders, your hips and knees are perfectly in line. So nice 4-point kneeling. Going to roll down nice and slowly. So again, steady as she goes. Start to bend the knees, going down. That's it. And walking the hands out. Knees down, feet out flat. Nicely done. Hands, as I say, in parallel with your shoulders, hips in line with your knees, and then we're just going to take a few cat-cows here. So I don't know if anybody's done yoga, but you just make sure your feet are nice and strong, your core's engaged, and you're just going to go up for a cow, so you've got a little spend in the back, and as you breathe through, breathe in to a cat, so you're pushing away, and then back down. Nicely done. Just flowing through this in your own time. That's it. Good work. Excellent. Keep going, flowing from one to the other. Nice stretches for the core and the lower back. And one more. Excellent stuff. This time we're going to do a bird dog, but there's 3 phases of this. So again, find your neutral spine, hold your core. Phase 1 is just to take your arm out and hold that there, and then back down, depending on your pain, and then swapping arm to the other side. Stage 2 is slide your leg back so it's straight, and then bring it back in to the middle. That's it, and then do the other leg. Stage 3 is leg out, and then lift up, and then back down. And then stage 4 is a full-on bird dog where one arm goes out, the leg goes out, and then you bring them in to meet. So you can do stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 or stage 4 depending on your ability. Like I say, if it hurts any time, do not do anything that hurts you. It's not here to cause you pain, we're here to help you. So nice neutral spine, and I'm going to go for stage 4, straight through. Stage 1, sliding your foot back or arm out, and stage 2, slide your foot back. Stage 3 is your foot back with your leg up, and then stage 4 is your arm out with both legs up. And we're going to do that one. We're going to do 10 each side. So 3, 2, 1, and into touch. 1, and back out. Nice strong core. 2, slow and steady. 3, 4, 5. Whatever stage you're doing, just take it steady. 6, 7, reset, so get your hands down, reset that alignment so your back's nice and straight and square, and then we're going to go for the other side. So again, stage 1, arm out and back down. Stage 2, slide your foot out, keep in contact with the floor and back in. Stage 3, slide your leg out, lift up and then back down with the knee. And stage 4, opposite arm, opposite leg, bringing them in. That's the one I'm going to go for. If you can, aim for that one. Whatever you are, do you. Yeah? 3, 2, 1, and out. 1. Nice strong core. 2. If you can do this stage, do it, because it's really good for the core. 3. And the back, because it's building on your glutes. 4. As you kick back, you're working your glutes. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Good work, everybody. Fantastic. So, nice. And the lower down to our bellies now for a nice little cobra. So, take your legs back and slowly lower down from your knees onto your belly with your feet flat on the floor. Bring your hands to the side of your shoulders or to near your head, and we're just going to slowly go up just a little bit for a little baby cobra. I'm going to hold for 10 seconds. Breathing in and breathing out. And lower down. Nicely done. And then we're going to go up now a little bit further if you can. Only if you can. And again, deep breaths. 10 seconds hold. And back down. And again, if you can go a little bit further, let's just go that extra little bit. Don't push it though if you can't. We are going up. Ten seconds. And down. Good work, everybody. We are going to roll to our sides now, so again, nice and steady. Really slow and steady on this one. So, your knees are going to be stacked on top of each other. Your legs sort of like bent, so you're going like a V shape. Elbow underneath your shoulder, core engaged. This, you can do it like this, or you can lie down flat. It's entirely up to you. So you can lie down with your hand on your head or behind your head and do it flat from there. It's whichever's comfiest for you. Make sure your body's side on, so you are using your core to lift you up steady, or you can put your hand there to hold you. I'm going to go up just so it's easier. My hand can go there to support me, or you can put it on your glute, so then you can feel the glutes engage when you open up. We're going to do a clam, so we're going to slowly open up the hips as far as you can, and then back down. Nice and simple movement. And as you do it, you'll feel the muscle engage just in the lower glute. 2. That's it. 3. 4. Good work. 5. Just go as wide as you can. 6. Make sure your stability is good. 7. 8. Keep going. 9. And 10. Good work. And then we'll go slowly. Go to the other side. So moving slowly through. You can just switch over to the other side. I'm going to turn around this way so that you can see what I'm doing. Again, make sure you either lay down, put your body's in line, legs are at V, and we're just going to again open up the hip. So, one hip will probably be a bit easier than the other. My right hip is a lot tighter than my left hip for some reason. Don't know why, but I do try and stretch it a little bit more. 2, that's it, slow and steady. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good work, everybody. Fantastic. This time we're going to stay like we are. We're going to take our knees back. I'm going to put everything in line. So your knees are a bit further back. You're going to go in line. We're just going to lift up the hips for a side plank, kneeling side plank. So that's all we're doing. Holding for 5 and then back down. Some nice little movements these are. You can do a full plank, side plank, that's entirely up to you, but I'm going to keep it nice and simple to show people that these are stages that you go through. So just for a kneeling side plank, arm underneath your elbow, hand flat, bit of stability there if you need, and just lifting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really using the obliques, side muscles to really lift up. Rest for a second, and then going up again. 4, 5. We'll do that 5 times, so that's 3, and then we'll swap over. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back down. One more time and swap over, nice and steady as we swap over them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So I'm just going to go, obviously you can just roll over from one side to another. I have to turn around so you can still see me, if you want to see me. Probably the back's better than the front. Nice, strong stability. So arm underneath your shoulder again. Hips in line. Make sure everything's in line first before you start moving. Don't do it unless it feels right. Nice strong core. Hand for stability if you need it. Lifting the hips up slow and steady. Breathing in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Breathing out. And again. And down. Excellent work, everybody. Keep going. Try and sync the movements with the breath. And again up. And down. One more. And good work, everybody. Now we are going on our sides now, so you can put your hand underneath your head. Again, make sure your body is in line. You can lie down flat if you want, so you can put your hand down flat if you've got the room. I obviously, as you can see, haven't got the room. But this time we're going to do a side leg raise. We're going to do it a little bit different, so we're going to take the leg up. Again, have your hand here for stability. Down. Don't touch. Take it forward a little bit, to as far as you can, and then back. That's where you're going to feel the glute kick in there, and then back to the centre. So we're going up, don't touch, forward, and then back. Nice stability. Let's try that. We're going to do 10 to 15 reps. Do the best you can. Anytime if it hurts, stop. You can just go up and down. You're still engaging the glutes. You're still working that lower back. So let's do it. So if you can, with me, 3, 2, 1, and up, down, forward, and back. Just go to your range of motion. 1, up, down, forward, and back. 2, down, and back. Good work. 3, forward, and back. Remember to go slow and steady. 4, 5. We'll do 10 of these because we've still got to do the other side, and it's a good work for the legs. So yeah, 6, 7. Keep going, working through it all in your own time, at your own pace. 8. 9. And last one, 10. Go on, last through, just work through it, kicking forward and back. And again, oh, great stuff. That's really good. So just rolling forward, I'm just going to kneel and go to the other side. You can obviously just roll round onto the other side. Again, chop my head off on this one. Probably not a bad thing. Still see me? Yeah. So again, we're going to do it on this side. So again, make sure everything's in line first. Make sure your glutes and everything are engaged. Legs aligned and lifting up. 1. Do there if you can. If you can, go forward and then back. Again, if your arm needs to be in front. 2. A bit of stability. Do it. 3. That's it. Keep going. 4. Forwards and backwards again, just to your range of motion. Range of motion, range of movement. 5. Oh. 6. 7. Forward, back. 8. 2 more. 9. Good work, everybody. Keep going. 10. Last one. Slow and steady. And centre. Good work, everybody. Again. Roll onto your backs now. So I'm just going to move into position so you can see me. So we're going to roll onto our backs. We are almost done. So we've got a few more moves and then we are done. So now you want to bring your feet close to your bum. So we're going to do some glute raises. We're going to hold. So it's going to do nice and slow. Just holding for 2 seconds, then lowering down. So make sure your core's engaged, your back's flat on the floor, glutes are engaged, and you're lifting up from the thighs and glutes. So slowly, just show you, lift up as far as you can. If you can go all the way up, go all the way up. If you can't, don't bother. Just go nice little pulses like this, up and down, just lifting it up as you can do. But if you can, let's go all the way up. 3, 2, 1, and right up. 1, 2, and down. Slow and steady. 1. Again, we're going to do 10. Up. 1, 2. That's it. 2. Reset if you need to. Lifting up slow and steady. 3. Get those glutes engaged. Hold it for 2 seconds. And up. 4. Breathing as we go. 5. And down. 6. And 7. Just breathing through. And down. 2 more. 8. 3 more even. Now 2 more. 9. And 10. Make sure your feet are all pointing. Last one. Hold for a bit longer. 3, 2, 1 and down. Good work. Just pull the knees in to your chest. Oh, nice little stretch for the lower back. Do some little circles and then we're going to put her down. So now we're going to do some nice finisher as a little crunch. So slow and steady, we're just going to come up and go as far as you can. So if you can only touch your thigh, touch there. If you can go to the top, touch your knee and back down. Slow and steady. It's, again, 10 reps and we're going to finish off one little stretch and then we're done. So crunches, 3, 2, 1 and up. As far as you can go. 1, back down, slow and steady, core engaged. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nice and steady, 9, one more, and 10. Good work, everybody. Again, pull those knees in, give yourself a little hug, nice stretch for the lower back and just roll from side to side ever so slightly, just rocking the back side to side. And then take the knees out to the side, down and out into circles. And then the other way. Down and out. And one last hug in. And then slowly roll up and get to your feet. Well done, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you do have problems with your lower back, please do repeat this on a regular basis. Do it once a week, twice a week, whatever you can. Improves. It is a fantastic way to help improve the strength in your glutes, your core and your back to help you prevent these lower back problems. So if you are prone to them, please do repeat this. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll be back on Boxing Day for a little walking step workout to help you feel less bloated and hopefully walk off that Christmas food. So have a great Christmas, everybody, and as always, if you can be anything, be kind, be positive and be happy. Have a lovely Christmas to you and your family. Take care and thanks for joining me. See you later.